What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. We're here again for hopes of seeing the train lights on and testing. Let's go! That's a lighthouse, and that means that we're at Islands of Adventure. Temperatures in the low 60s, currently 61. Nobody in line at the ticket windows. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open and nobody's there. Yep, no wait to get through temperature checks, security, or the front entrance. We're on our way. Alright, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 6. We can see Hagrid's 45 minutes, Hulk at 20, Forbidden Journey at 10 minutes, Water Rides at 5 minutes, Kong at 35, Doctor Doom at 20, 15 for P-Flyers. Seuss Trolley is 30 minutes, Hogwarts Express is 10 minutes, smaller attractions 5 minutes. Not a busy day. And there's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. So we're just waiting for some test runs. We heard from an employee as we walked in that they were doing some runs. So fingers crossed, we'll be able to see some. Now, one thing I do want to stress, okay? This is testing, not final speeds. They're adjusting everything every day. I mean, all sorts of different combinations. So what you're seeing in some of our videos will likely not be the final speed, but we'll see. Train lights are on. Now we're over by Popeyes, on a little bit different today. The barricades have been pushed back over here, so we can see one right there. There's one over here. Normally we can get a lot closer, not today. So they now have warning sirens that are playing inside the launch tunnel whenever a train has been dispatched. There's flashing lights. And there's one going through the first half of the course. We should see it in just a second, coming into the second launch tunnel. There it is. Again, train lights on. Alright, so I take that back. Might have been just a test of the fire system in there because, well, they've done a couple more alarms and flashing lights, but no train has been dispatched.
seconds for the life odds.
Well guys, that's going to do it for another short video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World roller coaster. We wanted to show testing, we got testing, we got the train lights on. Awesome stuff. Unfortunately, we couldn't stay and get more footage. I'm sorry it was a little bit of a short video, but hey, we'll be back. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.